Hey guys, my name is xOctoManx and today I want to show you version 1.01 of my color switcher script. The first thing I want to say, I added 3 new features. First is enabling. That means I can, every object which has this one, I can enable or disable the functionality of the script itself in runtime and also in the inspector itself. Whenever I need to activate or deactivate this one, I can do so, and you can so too. Next one is reverse, so I can go backwards in the color elements. I will show you this one later on. And the third feature is use current as first. That means use the current main color. If it's red, for example, and I activate this one and start the script, it will use red instead of white. Yeah, let's test this one out first. As you can see, it's using red and blue instead of white and blue, which yeah, is pretty cool if you have a special color and don't want to change it, or maybe want to look however it might look with another or different one. Then just use this. As you can see, it's working the same way. I deactivate this again and want to show you reverse. So now they, since they are a copy of each other, I can now use this one and reverse it. So they will do the same but reversed. The one I clicked here. I go and get rid of the material and use the default one again. So I can from start on reverse the first one here, and they will do what they have to. One is going, the left one is going from element to 0 to 1. The other one is starting at element 1 and going backwards. So that's the reverse one. And this one is what I want to show you again in another prefab. I made this arrow thingy here, which is showing curves or whatever. And if I start the script, you can see the arrows are going from the left to the right. And I can also reverse those, and they will go backwards from right to left. How does this one work? Let me show you one. I used 5 colors in here for the first one, and the first one is orange. And this one, I switched it off and made the second one, so one frame, or actually one interval later, it will be orange instead of gray, and this one is the third in the third interval, and the last is in the fourth interval, and then the next interval will be no and none. So all are gray in the fifth interval. So you have a small gap between that show. You can see there's a small gap. You can also choose a size of 4 instead, and you won't have a gap. So they will instantly or permanently go from the left to the right, or reversed from the right to the left, or increase it back to 5, however you like. The last one is, since I used the or made this one enableable, or however it's called, you can use the tag system and enable and disable them in runtime whenever you like. I made this small green object over here. It's just an on button, I would say, and I added a small script which is going to search for tags. I tagged the small sirens with the tag siren, and this object is going to find those and enabling and disabling when I click the left or right mouse button. So let me just show you. If I click the right mouse button, they will stop. If I click the left mouse button, they will start again, or whenever they have been. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So you have access to the script from outside just by calling the component script and go to or use the enable variable, which is just a normal boolean, and you can just enable and disable them whenever you want. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The next one in version 1.02 will be, I will working on the this small sign here on the working sign, which will have a ping pong in it. That means the color in the list is going from element 0 to element 3 in this one, and go back to 0 and go forth to 3 and so on and so far. It will loop through that up and down until you stop it. That will be a feature of version 1.02. Okay, that's it for today and for now. See you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, the asset is hopefully soon available or in the asset store on Unity3D.com soon. So see you there or anywhere else. Bye bye.